Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best plastic snow shovels is probably one of the most important purchases you will make this winter, and with so many different options available, it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. This video will take you through everything you need to know about choosing the perfect plastic snow shovel for your needs, from considering the size and weight to understanding the different types of plastic used and features available, ensuring you're prepared for whatever winter throws your way. Number 5. BIRDROCK Home Folding Shovel. It's lightweight and sturdy, perfect for clearing snow from your car or during winter camping. This shovel ensures you're prepared for any winter emergency. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's tough enough for snow, mud, or sand. It's a reliable tool for camping, backpacking, and all your outdoor adventures. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. It fits easily in your car, backpack, or ATV, always ready when you need it. Use it for snow, sand, mud, or dirt. It's great for four-wheeling, camping, or hiking, your go-to tool for any adventure. When extended, it's 34 inches long, but folds down compactly for easy storage. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's perfect for any vehicle or gear bag. What we like. It's lightweight and folds away easily for storage. If you're an adventurer who needs a shovel that won't weigh you down, this is perfect for you. Its compact design makes it ideal for cars, backpacks, or emergency kits, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected winter conditions or outdoor adventures. What people say. Small, sturdy, folds so you can tuck it under your seat just about anywhere. It's well engineered of lightweight aluminum where it counts, beefy in both plastic and metal components including beefy lever and spring action so it just works. It will shovel path around car doors and rear or front tires to get snow moved and has oval metal shaft and spade to keep its edge and hold shape without hurting back with too heavy loads. Number 4. Bully Tools 42-inch Poly Shovel. This versatile shovel is perfect for all your scooping needs, from mulch to snow. It's lightweight and easy to use, making any job a breeze. It's made from a high-quality, food-safe polypropylene. This makes it durable and safe for handling various materials. Use it year-round for scooping mulch, grain, brush, snow, and more. It's truly a multi-purpose tool. The D-shaped handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue. It's designed to increase leverage for easier scooping. It measures 14 inches wide by 17 inches long, with a total length of 42.75 inches. It's also proudly made in the USA. This shovel is built to last, providing years of reliable performance. Experience the difference of a quality-made tool. What we like. This shovel is incredibly tough and can handle various tasks beyond snow removal. If you need a reliable, all-purpose shovel for tough jobs and prefer American-made products, this is the one. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance for all your scooping needs, from mulch to snow. What people say. Holds a lot of mulch at a time and is strong and helps get the job done quickly. We use this to scoop out 1,500 to 2,000 pounds of grain weekly from the back of the truck into barrels. It gets left outside in the sun and weather and has held up for over a year now with no signs of deterioration. The size is perfect. It doesn't quit, never came even close to breaking. Tough as nails. Number 3. Suncast SC1350 Snow Shovel. This heavy-duty snow shovel makes quick work of even the toughest winter storms. Its durable design ensures it'll be your go-to for years to come. It features a steel core ribbed shaft and a rust-resistant finish. This means you can count on it for reliable performance, season after season. The ergonomic D-grip is designed for comfort, reducing strain during extended use. Clear your driveway or sidewalk with ease. The poly-coated plastic blade helps it stay looking and performing like new, even after many winters of use. It's an investment that pays off. With its wide 18 by 13-inch blade and angled ribbing, it's optimized for efficient snow removal. You'll get the job done faster and easier. Choose Suncast for quality and dependability. This shovel is built to withstand the harshest winter conditions. What we like. It boasts a comfortable grip and a wide blade for efficient snow removal. If you value comfort and efficiency while clearing your driveway or sidewalk, this shovel is a great choice. Its ergonomic design minimizes strain, making snow removal less of a chore. What people say. Such a good shovel. It is very good at scraping down to the pavement to get all the snow. Super light, so it makes it easier to shovel for short and long periods of time. Also surprisingly sturdy even though it's very lightweight. This thing got the job done. It carried heavy, wet snow. It was not flimsy. The plastic did not bend. This is a lightweight snow shovel that functions very well. I have not used it in a very heavy snowfall yet, but so far it functions extremely well for the light snowfall we have had. Number 2. XQCAH Poly Snow Shovel. This durable snow shovel is perfect for clearing snow quickly and efficiently. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even after prolonged use. With an 18-inch blade and a 37-inch handle, it offers excellent reach and coverage. You'll be able to clear larger areas in less time. Weighing in at just 2 pounds 4 ounces, it's surprisingly lightweight for its size. Yet, it's built to withstand the rigors of snow removal. It's constructed from high-quality poly and wood materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. You can depend on it season after season. Experience effortless snow removal with this exceptional shovel. Its design makes tackling even the toughest snowfalls a breeze. Its lightweight and compact design makes storage easy. Find a convenient spot in your garage or shed. What we like. This shovel is lightweight and features a classic wood handle. If you prefer a traditional design combined with lightweight ease of use, this is a great option. Its manageable size and weight make it perfect for smaller snow removal tasks. What people say. This coupled with my leaf rake is the best and inexpensive method to bag. Like the one-piece wood handle. This shovel is exactly what you need and expect in a quintessential snow shovel. It's sturdy but lightweight. It is exactly what we needed. Number 1. Ashman Plastic Snow Shovel. This winter, don't let snow slow you down. It's lightweight and durable, making snow removal a breeze. Made from high-quality plastic, it's built to last. The sturdy handle and strong construction ensure it can handle tough jobs. Its lightweight design makes shoveling easy, even for extended periods. You'll clear snow quickly and efficiently. It's perfect for clearing driveways, walkways, and even trails. Keep it in your car for unexpected snowfalls. Ashman is committed to providing premium products and exceptional customer service. You can trust it to perform when you need it most. With its convenient size and lightweight design, it's easy to store and always ready when winter weather hits. Stay ahead of the snow. What we like. It's made of durable, yet lightweight plastic, making it easy to handle and store. If you need a simple, reliable shovel for occasional snow removal and appreciate easy storage, this is a practical choice. Its lightweight design makes it effortless to use and store away when not needed. What people say. It's fairly lightweight, and seems quite sturdy. This shovel is very durable and lightweight. Perfect for my 7-year-old to shovel off the deck and not scratch the railings. Seems like good quality, almost food grade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.